What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a review, specifically neckties, and the brand we'll be talking about is Otaa Brothers. So I'm going to do an unboxing later, but first I wanted to tell you about the company. They're an Australian based company. They focus on neckties, and recently they branched out into polos and dress shirts. I'll show you guys later. A cool fact about this company is they recycle plastic bottles from landfills and ocean cleanups. They then put it through a process where they turn the plastic bottles into thread that are used in the ties. I thought that was a really cool thing to share with you guys. So now I'm going to do a quick unboxing, and I also just want to show you each individual product and how I style it. So like I said, these are from the Otaa Brothers. I'll be leaving their website down below in the description box. Now let's see what they actually look like. I think it's fantastic packaging. You handsome bastard. So this is a navy blue polo that I chose in a size small. I'll show you guys how it fits. A white dress shirt. Slim fit, easy to iron. This is a pocket square. Tie number 1, tie number 2, and tie number 3. So the first item I'm going with is the classic navy polo. As you know, everyone needs a navy polo. And what I like about this one is it's 100% cotton. It's got a soft texture to it, and also it's easy to iron. I'll show you guys over here. It features the mother of pearl button, and also look at the fit, really nice and snug. To be honest with you, I don't often wear polos untucked, so I would definitely be tucking mine in. I honestly prefer this style. Let me know in the comments what you prefer, tucked or untucked. Next product I'm going to do is the white dress shirt, and then I'm going to do the 3 ties. Let's see how that looks. Now I'm wearing the white dress shirt. A few things I want to mention about it is I love the length of the shirt, especially if you're going to be tucking it in, which you are, because it's a dress shirt. Just to show you what it looks like. They are not a made-to-measure shirt company, so it is going to fit everyone differently. Personally, I like to tailor all my shirts and trousers for that matter. The length of the sleeve, not bad at all, slightly too long for my liking. And then on the waist, I would definitely tailor my waist, as I do with all my shirts, unless it's made to measure. The collar is quite stiff, I like that, and I really like the soft feel. Like I said, it's the easy iron, so I literally just went to iron the shirt and it took me 3 to 5 minutes to iron the whole shirt. I think that's perfect. So now I'm going to tuck it in, and I'm going to show you guys all the ties with different jackets, just to give you an idea of what it looks like. Give me 1 second. So now that the shirt is all tucked in, I thought I'd show you quickly what it looks like all around. Like I said, I tailor all my shirts, so I'll definitely still be doing this one on the waist. So for tie number 1, I'll show you quickly. So this is tie number 1. Thought I'd show you a quick close-up of this tie. That's the color. I would say it's an eggplant or purple polka dot. So that's tie number 1. Now we're going with tie number 2. And tie number 2 is this forest green regimental tie. Again, I've gone with the 4-in-hand knot. I feel like it ties the best with this ties. I forgot to mention the fabric of these ties are 100% microfiber, and it's hand stitched, so that's very cool. I have one more tie to show you guys. and that I'll do like this. So there you go. This is the 4-in-1 knot once again. I just feel like this knot works best with these ties. I've gone with the brown regimental tie since I didn't own one. Personally, I like the purple with the green tie. That was my favorite look. Let me know in the comments down below which one you liked most. Please check out my Instagram. I'll be posting some photos with the ties. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you Otaa Brothers for sponsoring this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.